guys, hello. Okay, after a long time back, we are back here. I know, guys, it's too late, and we have taken 2 months. I think we have taken 2 months break. Yeah, guys. Actually, yearly we are working, and we have got only 2 months leave from our multimex company. You know, right? We have to maintain offline students, offline clients, and many business partnerships. I really think that kind of more steps, business steps are more, and we have got so many orders and many more things. So we can't able to finish. We can't able to upload videos. So actually, I'm really sorry for that. And from my company side also, I have a apology for you. Okay, so I am Ryan Ben and Ryan B T Ben. Okay, so actually, I'm a UI UX developer. So your Raj bro has taken you machine learning, instead development, front-end developer, like the many courses he have taken, but I'm here for taking UI UX course. Okay, so why he having companies? He also know UI UX, but his domain is full stack. Yeah, right. He was a software, AI software instead developer. But I am a UI UX developer, so I have been studied about UI UX, and I have been working in UI UX for past 3 years. I have switched two companies, and the two companies are top tier companies. So that's the reason why Multimex company chosen me. So guys, we are planning, our company, Multimex company, is planning to make a UI UX design complete course from based on our tagline, beginner to master. So the UI UX course will be provided for you. So guys, I hope in the end of this series, you will be able to master UI UX course very superly. So the main reason Multimex company has chosen me is, so I have been working on UI UX development for the past 2 years, as I already told. So I have got many experience from our company side or on my company side or in my workstation and many more. So I will share many real life experience, some interesting facts in UI UX and many more things. Not like the Raj bro. I won't just lecture. I want to be very strict guy. I'm a fun big guy. I'll make the session more interesting. And the main thing you have to do is just press the bell button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So guys, we are planning to make this series a free post. Okay, so without telling blah blah blah, we can move on to the session. So this is UI UX design course from beginner to master. So the first slide is this one. In this course, okay, first I will tell you what are the things you will learn in this course is UI UX design from basics. Whether you are a student, beginner, or someone interested in design, this course is absolutely for you. There's first to remember whether you are a B.Tech, B.E., B.Arc, MBBS graduate, what the hell, whether you haven't gone to school or come from college or anything, you can learn this course because you can use this course for your freelancing also. Okay, whether you have dropouts, college, schools or anything, you can use this UI UX course for freelancing and one of the high scope job in future. So this is one of the important courses. Guys, same like machine learning, full stack like Raj bro taken. This course is one of the most important and very easy and interesting course. So take a notepad or a note and mark important questions or important things. I will them here. Okay. So this is Ryan T. Ben. I'll take to the UI UX course for you. So come on, let's move on. Okay. What is UI? Okay. First, let's understand what is UI. UI stands for user interface. Okay. So take a notepad and just write the things what I was telling so that you can able to understand and future you can able to remember. Okay. So UI means very simply, I will tell you here more boomers are given by our editor. Editor has made some more things from ChatGPT or Gemini. I don't know. But he has given more. This one you see means you very disturbed. So just listen to me. Okay. UI is everything user sees and interacts with the screens, buttons, colors. Think of it like a visual layer. More things are given. Okay. Come on. Okay. Just imagine you are opening your phone. Okay. So you can see the interface now. That's the thing. I mean, you can see one page, one color, silly, but then say, I can't see, more things are present, that only interface, and the user is keeping his finger to WhatsApp or Instagram, that's the user interface. He was interacting with that interface. So that's known as user interface. At least the way I have explained, guys. The definition, I have taken this from one of the IIT book, just in some. User interface definition is, with the screen, user is connected. That's all. That's all. You 3-mark question also, 5-mark question also, or 1-mark question also. If you write this one line, the teacher correcting person will get to know, okay, the student has studied something. They have some idea about you, right? Like that they know. Okay, so what is user interface? With the screen, user is connected. That's the user interface. Okay, guys? Understand, right? Okay, example, on a smartphone, the home screen, app icons and settings are part of UI. Okay, right there, correct on the guys. In the smartphone, the home screen, app icons and settings are present. They are the part of UI, right? Okay, how product looks and how user interprets. That's also a kind of UI. Correct on the, so mind here, there is a mouse. Okay, imagine you are having a mouse with you and you are seeing the front look like. So that's the UI. Okay, you are not interact. I mean, you are not testing whether it is the straps and the right. Keep in mind and admit that that's what I'm saying. Test, seeing the first look and then it's super. That's known as UI. Okay. On the website, come on to website. In the website, the navigation bar, search bar, and checkout box are part of UI elements, right? You're just seeing how it looks, how the world looks, how the website looks, how the app looks, how the mouse looks. That things, the first look is known as UI. Okay, beautiful, good UI, how it looks. Beautiful buttons, colors, images are present. Then it is a good UI, okay? So you can see visual design, colors, fonts, imaginary, decorate, loop, that only. Okay, interactive elements means button, slides, menu. That comes under interactive. Layout and spacing, how elements are arranged and aligned on the screen. That things comes under layout and spacing, right? So here our editor has attached with some means. So you can see means we are just seeing the first look. You are just seeing the front end, just to see. Imagine, this is front end, okay, so Raj bro has told about front and back end. Some more things here told. I also watched some other videos, so interesting. Even I was a UI developer, I can understand that there are front end views. Yeah, so amazing. Okay, so that's it means, here you can see means that I get on photos here and some words of it. So imagine, this one screen you are seeing guys, and you are telling wow, just wow. But you are not seeing, but not there. You are not seeing the back end of there, so just seeing the front end and saying, wow, that's the thing UI. Okay, so this is the slide one. Okay. Okay, guys. So next is UI in real world. So where our UI is used, that was explained in this slide. So listen. Okay. So if you are going to join in a product-based company, you have to know right where UI is used. For that things, this slide is very important. So listen. Okay. So now a 5-year-old child was accessing a bank app. I know that guys, a 5-year-old child can't have a bank account or she should not use bank account, no bank app. But it just emerged again. A 5-year-old child doesn't know how, doesn't have more experience or doesn't know how the apps won't look. So far, she want to access that app means that app should be very user-friendly, right? So if the options were hidden or not visiting means she can't able to do transactions and she can't able to send money, like. So even the bank, from the bank account to the Instagram accounts, everything should be, every app should have a unique and a very user-friendly UI. Then only everyone can able to access. Not a 5-year-old child, even the 50-year-old people can able to use this UI. So it should be very unique and as well as very user-friendly. Alright. So that kind of apps we have to make, right? So here in the banking app, you can see clear buttons, card layout, navigation menu, and that makes the transaction easy, right? So that's only given here. And in a streaming platform. So guys, a real incident has happened 2 days before. So this month, this June month, my parents having the recharge for my Netflix account. I was too dumb. I asked them, they told like next month I can recharge. You can't separate on in net window. So I have also searched some of the documents, found an app, NetMirror. So NetMirror is nothing but it has same like Netflix, Amazon, and Hotstar, I think. So these 3 platforms, more movies, everything we can access in NetMirror. So I have used NetMirror. And I got frustrated with it. Really, I got frustrated. I know NetMirror is a good app. For people like me who doesn't have a Netflix account, it's really useful. But the UI is having no. The worst way I have ever seen. I was frustrated. I really got frustrated in this. Really, the app was like, it doesn't have the navigation menu or the search menu or the buttons. Actually, it was not doing. The navigation menu, I was moving, it was not doing. I was searching in search menu. Okay, search menu, I was looking for 2 times. Then only 3rd time it was open. And then I was searching, then it was open. I really got frustrated with after searching, I watched the movie in Happy Hallelujah. So I have found that. And Happy now that movie, something I forgot. And I have clicked on the movie. Then I was trying to get out of that app. I was pressing my page to get was not getting out. Then after some gradually I got get out. Yeah. So after that I was moving on to same movie. I was resuming and watching. So that I was trying to change the language. Actually, the movie was an English dubbed movie. I was in Tamil. So, first I have changed the language. Next time I was going to the same language was same in English. Then I changed to Tamil. But changing to Tamil itself a big tragedy. After that, I watched the movie, blah, blah, blah. The talk and it's not some good talks. Yes, it's only 155 minutes. So, here it's acting. So that was good. But the navigation, the buttons, in Netflix, you see, means there will be option like newest, like that on option, but that newest movie will be that. Then reason in Tamil, then top 1 to 10. That's my favorite, guys. That's one of the favorite thing in Netflix. Because it will tell like top movie, top 1, top 2, like that it will show. Here, having, before is 2025, which movie is top, that and showing. What? I don't know. Actually, I was not promoting for Netflix, but I was suggesting telling the truth. So, like that means, if you imagine, Netflix, more review every UI, and Netflix having UI now that on I given to Netflix. You will watch, or I will watch, nobody will watch. That's the main. Okay, next one to e-commerce site. Products, cards, ad cards, blouse, that one should be present. In 2, 3 kits itself, button, that odd button should be present. R for odd, yesterday, I've not actually in Amazon. So I purchased one comic and it has 6 months warranty. So I want to contact the customer and also this. So for that, I got a big clarity. I searched for one word in AI, with the help of AI, called someone, and asked my friends, and finally I solved it. Not really solved, but I have somehow I solved. So that like can have means user friendly or no. It's big clarity. Okay, so the real truth is all the applications should be user friendly. If you make a more big app than the Instagram, it's also if it is not user friendly, then nobody will watch. So for that, how backend is more important, UI is also more important. So when you are making an app or website, please concentrate for UI. And actually, 2 weeks before, Raj participated in Microsoft on that. And he got, first round he got selected and second round also got selected. Third round he was selected. He was frustrated, he was maybe sad. I asked him, what's the problem? Bro, I have made an app and a website. Everything for you. Everyone appreciated me. Even the Microsoft employees were told me, very nice, bro. And third round they rejected me. Then I asked them, what's the reason? They haven't told me. And in the first one, when he was doing the first one person appreciated him. So he went to him, and he went to that staff and asked what happened, why they rejected him. Then he told, your UI is not much good. You concentrate on more on backend. But you have to concentrate, use same concentration in the front end also, like that he told. Then he was like, oh, I concentrated more on back end, so only I got a fail, like that he was telling you. So guys, if your app has mainly huge server, very good backend means also you have to give the same concentration, same level of equality to the front end UI also, okay? So, that's the thing. Okay, moving on to the next slide. What is UX? Okay, user experience. So many of them are asking what's the difference between UI and UX, whether I have to learn UI or UX. Or UI have more demand or UX has more demand. So this question was meaning have asked me. So guys, UI and UX are very important. So UI and UX are interconnected. Okay. So when I was I think 6 months back, and I was taking a class. Some student asked me, bro, whether UI is like front end and UX is like back end, like that. He asked. Everyone laughed, and even I was laughed. Not guys. UX and back end are not same. Okay. So I will tell what UX. So UX means you take the notes and kind guys. Here more big paragraph with them. So that another don't see. Just take notes and write, because the notes I was given was taken from one important book. So when you are writing, attending an interview or writing an exam about UX or UI, if you write this point, everyone, even the teachers will appreciate you. So take a note and write. The definition is experience we have over everything. Okay, first point. How user feels when using the product and how easy or effective is to accomplish task. The overall driving experience, how it works and how it feels. Research will be done from clients. Okay, so these 5 points you have to write. Then only the evaluators will appreciate you. I'll give a valid mark. So guys, I will explain now. So imagine this mouse. So first in UA, I told Nick I was seeing the pen look and telling wow, just over. Next, I was taking that mouse I'm keeping in my hand. And next, I was asking to my mind, how it feels when I keep this mouse in my hand. Whether it is comfortable for me or whether it is very small or whether it is very big. That question I was asking. And it is easy to drag and drop. Whether easy is the mouse is moving without any noise. Everything I will ask. If everything was satisfied, then only the UX is satisfied. Simply guys, when you are keeping that mouse in hand, how it feels, that's the thing. How you feel in your mind, that's a kind of feel. Okay, yeah. So the first impression, like that thing can take. So that things comes under UX. So I will give an example so that you can understand the reasoning. UX means for easy to search. So imagine cycle. But another example. Okay, so in UI and UX. I think this cycle example will come at the back, I think. Yeah, the cycle example was coming at the back, so I will tell just here. Okay, a good UI means, UX means, a good UX should look like food, easy to search, okay, yeah. And the app they had means, orders 3 to 4 clicks. We can make the order means, suppose app super, but order call means, UI is good, but UX things. Slide 4 is completed, and next is the slide 5. So another 5 slides are having. Okay, come on, move. We can go on to the next slide. Okay, examples of great UX. Okay, so when UX is present, when can we tell it's a great UX? So come on. Okay, so leave this slide. Okay, yeah. So come without here, I will leave this slide. Without here, I will tell some of the points to you. Okay, so first is Amazon provides one-click checkout, which helps users purchase products quickly. Tracked on link. So Amazon provides one-click checkout, which helps users purchase products quickly. That only given in this slide. And next is the Google Map. Google Map, right? Here, Google Map only having. So Google Map. Okay, Google Map gives real-time traffic updates and route suggestions. Actually, we can have a 3D. Then when the Google Map was introduced, I was like, I will see my home in Google Map, see my friends' home in Google Map, like that, and then we have done. So that kinds of things are done in Google Map, right? Even my friend who was in America and sent his location means I can see his location, right? That and all was done. Next, Spotify recommends Spotify. Next one is about Spotify. Everyone likes, right? Power money. Okay. Spotify recommends music based on user preference. So if I watch Power Melody means next to that will come Aura, like that more a song based on my wish it will recommend. So have you got like this? So now you will watch Power Melody in Tamil. Next song Zaima in Hindi, like that come on. No chance, because you are watching Power Melody Tamil song means next is the Tamil song. Any of your favorite song, love song or Power Melody belongs to love means love song only next come. Where if our tender without enka belongs to but our not top tone and it belongs to that song. This next comes the dance song like that only become right. So that kind of things are based on your recommendation, based on your like you do the recommendation will come, right? Suggestion got given. So that one are done using UX. And next is the clear error message. So that means good error message also improves UX, right? Because they help users understand what went wrong and how to fix, right? So it was telling like good UX is exactly, or if imagine like I was trying to login page you have created that, right? So there you have entered your email address and next password typing thing you forgot you mistakenly type the wrong text. Then if it was a good UI UX means it will send the error message. If it was a bad words means it will move on to next bit. Well, don't imagine like that at all. Nothing will happen like that, but it will tell it won't tell you are doing wrongly. It won't tell like your password is wrong. Like that it won't tell. It will be struck and like that will struck and have. That means that it was a bad use. So that kind of things were given here. So I think I can want to next slide and shutter's coming. Okay, UI versus UX. What's the difference that are only given? Okay, many people confuse about UI and UX. So first, I guess the management company CEO comment on like next we are planning to keep UI UX. Then last week, some of one of the favorite I think he had take some of the classes here for you also. So we go, bro, why UI works the same only, bro? Like that he told, then only Raj told that, bro, that like not where is different from UX, but they are interconnected, like that he told. So I guess he also Raj also know UX. Okay, we can move on to the session. Many people confuse about UI and UX. You people also must hearing them with their countries. So, what is UI? UI focuses on how product use that on a focuses. Visual design and as aesthetics. One of the trending word in Instagram. Aesthetics. Yeah, right? Okay. Understand clearly? It focuses on visual design and aesthetics. Aesthetics meaning means beautiful. Beauty, like that. Glorious. Like that and all word belongs to aesthetics. Okay, so UX means UX focuses on how product works and feels. So you will buying a pen. Imagine so for what you are buying a pen. That pen should write neatly. That pen should have a good structure. It should be easy to hand and standing way, and it should be it should not over improve to this like that and now you think and only buy, right? So that process and all that pen should satisfy. So that only that keyboard satisfactions. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, UI includes colors, typography, layouts and visual design, right? So that's if you good. Like that ask means this one was so UI means someone will ask does it looks good? Like that they ask means they were asking about UI, not the UX. They were asking about UI. Okay, so does it look does it work well? Does the pen was writing good? Like that they were asked means they were asking about UX. Okay, so that one will be done. So UX means UX looks about focuses on how product works and feels like that. Okay. Next, UI. Okay. So mockups, style guides, and icons come under UI. Right? Wireframes, user forms. So if I click a login, means that one is a button, right? But that belongs to UI. That button having a login, the user will be login and see it to one place. No, that comes under that process was run under UX. Okay, so that's the difference. So tools includes Figma, Adobe, Sketch, that another comes under tools. Here, Figma, Micro, user testing, that another comes under UX tools. So goal is beautiful in consistent screens. So UX means a smooth, frustration-free experience like that and that. Okay, so I will give a quick overview. UI focuses on how the product looks. UX focuses on how a product works and feels. Okay, UI includes colors, typography, layout, and visual design. UX includes journals, usability, research, and satisfaction. A product needs good UI and good UX to be successful. So this is that last year tagline in this slide. Okay, next slides are having, don't go. Okay, so here what it means, both work together. Great products needs both beautiful UI and a thoughtful UX. That I'm really doing. Okay, we can move on to next slide. Well, sorry. Okay, we move on to the next slide. So the bicycle analogy. Okay, first itself I told before I think third slide, while I was explaining, I told we can see the bicycle example like that I told. Okay, bicycle example, UI, the look of the bicycle. Okay, so imagine your friend buy a bicycle is walking. So this is the bicycle on that one. So this is the bicycle. So firstly you are imagine you are standing in this car, here you are standing. Okay, wait, another now. Okay, you are standing in that, sitting in this car. Okay, so the near person is your friend, and you are here. Here your friend is having, here you are having. So she told bro, I have bought a bicycle for you. So this is the bicycle. Do you like it? I like it. Like that, he asked. You are telling, bro, it has colorful paintings. It has the steerings, it has wheels, it has tires, it has seating, blah, 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 like that you are then. Next, you are asking, bro, the UI is looking good. What about the UX? Like that you are asking, bro, go and try. Like that you will take. So you are going near to the bicycle and first you touching, then you are keeping the hand near the handlebar and keeping the legs near the pedals and riding. Then the bicycle moves from slow to fast, and it was your easy and you like the bicycle very much. So this comes under UX. So if you are a UI UX developer means, so imagine that 2-3 weeks before. So my friends took me to this company, my ultimate company, friends, on project success, they took me to a restaurant. Okay, so big restaurant link near me, Raj bro, Rocky bro, more people is welcome. Okay, so then they first me into one small restaurant. That means the both actors and everything was nice on the but there were a VIP and normal like that two options. We went to VIP because the company were organizing. So that time we were in the it's like all jolly funny. We have around, we have eaten and okay. Now, so being paying time the counter gave the money to me to pay. Okay, then I go to bill counter and pay. That bill counter was in normal session. So that things normal people were sitting and drinking, eating, like the things are doing. So that time I found one thing. There were around the 6 chairs, I think, 6 tables, sorry, 6 chairs, no? 6 tables were present, and each table has around 4 chairs. So they were sitting, but the restaurant was so proud. So that time I see one boy, one college boy, I think, he was keeping one cup, and it was so hot. He was keeping in his hand, and he was taking very slowly because it was so cold there. There are so hot, so it's not cold. It was so hot. He was taking very carefully and walking. He doesn't have a seat because the restaurant was full. So he doesn't go to VIP seat. As VIP seat means a woman he wanted to use, so he doesn't go on there also. I was watching him, and my Radbo was paying with it. I was watching him, and I thought that, actually, the restaurant was super good kind of food. I think we have eaten green chicken there. It was so good. But the UX was good. That company, UX was good. But the UI, they think it's, that's the thing I was trying to get. Some of the companies, he means some of the restaurants, he means the decorations, their posters, their reels, that are not very good. But if you go and give something, you can't keep things about like that. So that time UX good, UX pains. But that in my scenario, UX pains, UX was so good. Like that. That I'm not having. So that can only I try to say. Oh, we can move on to the session now. Okay, so session. Okay. So here background reading the color has okay. Now I tell you what's on the slide. The color designs heat and the appearance of the site represents UI. Oh, sorry, we start guess. Slide change. Okay. The color designs heat and the appearance of the bicycle represents UI. The comfort, control and riding experience represents UX. If the bicycle looks beautiful but uncomfortable to ride, the seat was so small, it has good UI but very poor UX, right? If the bicycle looks simple but provides a smooth ride, it has good UX. The best product combine both. Crackle is okay. Here what given means UI, the look of the bicycle, the color, the shiny frame, comfortable seat and the stylish handlebar. So what you see and touch comes under UI. Then the UX, the ride itself, how smooth the pedal, how easily it is to steer and whether you arrive without that pain, how it feels to you. So after riding a bicycle, you pay one thing. Okay, the bicycle was good. I loved it. The look also good, the ride also good. Then the bicycle is selected like the Beetle. No, so that kind of things. The beautiful bike that uncomfortable to ride has a great UI, but pure UX means it will reject the comfortable bike that looks outdated. Has great UX but weak UI. The product nails both. The best products nail both. Okay. So beyond this, I think everyone can understand because I was telling very clearly. A single concept only I was explaining for around 50 minutes. I don't know. Hours minutes, but I was explaining for more minutes, okay? So, even today I have more works, but today really I have wasted for this video. Yeah, this company told like, they want every video to be perfect. So, any single mistake I do means also they were taking retake like that, they told that, and I was doing. So, I think you can understand this very clearly because I was telling from the first slide to around the 8th slide, I think. I don't know. 7th slide, right? Up to 7th slide, I was explaining a single concept, right? Very clearly, I can explain. I was explaining, I surely tell nobody in the YouTube what anything good at me or anything can't explain very clearly about your UX better than this. Okay. I don't like this. Okay, I move on to next session. Next slide. What makes UI and UX? Okay, good UI has consistent colors, clear typography, and proper spacing and alternative visuals. This is to my point. Okay, so these things end up having is it's a good UI like that I was telling. Okay, so the good UX is easy to learn, easy to navigate, and user friendly. The goal is to help users complete their tasks without frustration. Then UI and UX work together. Users enjoy using the product, right? Okay. Characteristics of good UI: consistent colors, fonts, and spacing, clear visual hierarchy, important things stand out. So, in a good UI, consistent colors. Imagine like you have made a app that the login page was in one color, the username was in another color, and the password was in another color. Means it is not a good UI. Okay, so the visuals should be clear. Important things should be clearly you can need to see like that. Then the typography, the font and the font color should be easy to read. That and all, then the good contrast, it should not be more attractive than your eyes, like that. You should not widen your eyes and watch like that and all have means it's not. So contrast should be correct, and responsive across the devices. So your UI should be, if you are making, I forgot to tell about it. So if you're making an app or a website, you are making something. It was a good in mobile. You are making it mobile. It was good in mobile, but then in laptop means or system means it was not good means then it's waste by. So UI should be good and it should be suitable for all devices and it should be accessible to all users. So these are the characteristics and characteristics of our UI. Then characteristics of our UX we can go. So easy to learn and navigate. It should be easy to learn and navigate. So fast loading. Yeah. If you add another important thing, you should not. If you add more animation means it may take some time to load. So from my experience and I have learned and you have the book, from that I was feeling if you need more animation means it may take some time to load. Keep that in mind. Okay. So it's a problem. So meaning in a hackathons or anything means you are finding a solution to a problem, right? So if anyone has problem, then something means that should be solved by your UX. That can also keep in mind. And minimum error and it should not frustrate others. So that can also keep in mind. And feels intuitive. No instructions needed. So if you're creating a website or app means, if it is easy to navigate means, then no instructions are needed, right? If it is difficult, if it has more options, more animations, and difficult to find one thing means only instructions needed, right? So instructions should be avoided like that app you were to make. Okay, so next slide. Okay, so UI UX career opportunities. We are moving to UI UX career opportunities. Okay, so this is the important topic. Hold tight, guys. So it's one of the important topic and 2 more slides are having. Okay, so when I see this picture, it looks like our company. First company starting time, Multimax company starting time, it looks like this and somehow we have developed and we have separate cabin for our So first street looked like that and now the editor was laughing at me. Okay. Moving on to the session. UI UX career opportunities, right? So actually guys, everyone are telling us, so one of the UI UX some buyer guy in my company, so previous company, he asked me like, bro, here is something wrong. So somebody more people are telling right, like at 2029, we won't have UI UX how developers won't have job like that. He asked me. So I told only one thing to him and to you, just listen. So if you are a UI UX developer, anything. Anybody and the AI can't able to replace him if you have good skill. That's the real truth. AI is like a co-pilot to you and you are pilot who is going to drive the plane. So hold tight and listen to me, okay? So, okay, UI/UX design is one of the fastest growing technology. You can become UI/UX designer and focuses on virtual design. You can become a UX designer and improve your user experience. You can work as a UX researcher and understand user behavior. You can also become a product designer and handle both UI and UX. Hey guys, so listen, actually I was a product designer. So for product designer, in my company, for me, the salary is around 18 LPK. Okay. So actually I have around one before company. Now I was in third company. So I was still in second company. I was working as a product designer. So that time I got around 18 LPK per annum, and so that time I have around 1 year experience, right? 1.5 years experience. So that time they give 18 LPK. So if you are fresher, you can choose UX designer, and you can put a command in this individually. You can command me so that I will be able to contact you, and I will you referral or intake. If you want, you can ask me. Okay, you can. There are many opportunities available in this field. Just listen. Okay, there are many opportunities present in this field. Okay, so first things UX designer, right? Create beautiful polished screens and visual systems for apps and website. Yeah, this is one of the highly demand job. The first one, okay, and very easiest job. That's the reason why everyone are choosing. Okay, so next is the UX researcher. Interview users, run surveys, and uncover insights that shape our industry. Yeah. UX researcher means what I will tell you. Okay, so let's just listen. It is another important question. I think while I was in my second company, they asked this question. What is UX researcher? That they asked me. So that time I told one answer. That time, yeah, I will tell you now. Okay. So UX designer means imagine you are starting a company. Okay, so I from the start at a company and I was a UX developer. So he asked me how to build the UX website for his company. So I told like, okay, I will build for you. Next I went to this business company and I do some research about this company. What kind of business is this? What kind of project need? What clients you deal? That and all I research and build the website in the UX. So that is the UX research that okay. So next, UX designer maps user journey with the way and see how focus on the important thing with design date and work for it. Yeah. Now, if you are a UX developer, your portfolio should be very, very, very important. By seeing your portfolio only for software engineers, website developer, and all, the resume is important for me. Also, portfolio important only. But for the mandatory first priority is given to portfolio. So I will tell you how to make a portfolio. Okay, so try to explain our own of food, design process from research to especially in step. Yeah. That's the thing. I was working here. Okay, so okay, next slide. Can we move on to the next slide, guys? What's coming next? Okay, so it's just the beginning of our UX, okay? So in the next session, what are the things we will learn? Okay, first session we have learned about UI UX. Next session we will learn like a design thinking and design process. Or design thinking and design process, okay? We will learn like color theory, typography, Figma, tools interface, portfolio, web validation. Before the next session, open 3 apps you use every day and identify their UI elements and UX, okay? So that you can get an idea of it. So that only then ask, does this experience feels with that UI thing? Actually, Instagram's UI is more better than Facebook. That's the real growth. Everybody likes that. Okay, see you in the next video, in the episode 2. Signing off from you, it's Ryan B. Ben. Thank you. Thank you for the Multimax team, and thank you for the people who are watching this. Thank you. Signing off, Ryan B. Ben. Bye.